side now. Why do you want to talk about special? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my long lost best friend that used to bully me in high school.
Okay.
I am so obsessed. I want to choke you.
Hi, my name is Ella.
We're the same height now.
No, I'm taller than her.
Just slightly. But anywho, we're about to do like a sewing challenge. Say it's not a challenge.
It's not. It's just we're sewing together.
And seeing who's on his fine.
I'm not seeing who's on his fine now. We're just going to sew together.
So we're just going to make two little black dresses. So like
two different.
yeah, and we don't know what we're making it like. I didn't know what I'm making, so that's amazing. But we're just going. Wow. So we're going to the market with 3,000 naira. I'll put the equivalent in dollars here. So we're going to see what we can make from that amount of money.
Okay.
That's actually very small, though. But we'll see what we can make from that amount of money in a given amount of time. We don't know how we're going to sew it because she has only one sewing machine. So we'll figure it out. Even if it means we'll use hand to sew it. We'll figure it out. By the way, patronize her. Her Instagram is
Just Ella's Closet.
yes. Follow her, and I'll include some pictures of. Why are you talking? I'll include some pictures of things she's made because she's like really good. And for me to see someone is really good, that means the person's really good. So we're going to the market right now. I'll try to take some videos, even though they say I shouldn't take my phone because they'll steal it. But I'll still try to sneak in some videos of the market and where we're buying the fabric from and everything so you guys see. So stay tuned.
Journey of 1,000 miles that begins with this step. So we've come back from the journey. We've gotten what we want got. We've gotten what we want got. So here are the materials. This is the material number one. This is for Bethel.
How
So
much
we
is
got
that one?
this. This is half yard of simple sample lace. It is how much do you weigh?
350.
350. 350 naira with all the bags. For
Yeah,
them to
this
weigh
sharp
50
you
naira.
can sew.
This is
Actually, they actually forgot that was
1,000.
1,000, but pay them 1K.
okay, so it was 1,000 naira 1 yard. But for this one, then we brought bra.
Even though I think it's still going to be too big for her brace, but
Are you serious?
yes.
This is tiny. This is breast cup. We bought it.
So basically, all that right
bought
now
this
is
one,
like
350.
1/8.
Breast pad, half yard, 400. This is mine.
Only one thing, though. Let me about like 5 things for her
This is
own
the
dress.
only thing I bought. And this is 1,000 naira per yard. And we bought 2 yards. Yes.
So that's 2K. So basically, we stayed within our budget of 3K each, and we'll see what we can make from that.
Yeah, so
That was it. We'll see you guys tomorrow, next tomorrow, depending on how the clothes. Bye. Good morning. Okay, so I was going to go to Ella's shop this morning to go cut. But then I decided, okay, it's morning. All of them will be trying to cut whatever they're going to sew for the day. So I said I have a bed at home, a strong bed at that. So why not just stay home and actually cut this thing, then just go there, use a sewing machine, sew it. So I kind of made a rough sketch of what I want. I can't really get what I want with the sketch, but basically this one right here is going to be the front, and this part that has the middle part is going to be lace. Then it's going to have a princess that I don't know how this thing is going to look, but it's going to look something like that. And then the back's gonna have the lace. I have a low back type thing ish. Well, we're going to see how it turns out, but that's what I'm working with. That, I mean, in my head looks so much more better, so I'm going to try to cut it so much more better. So I'm just going to use my bed right now to cut it, and then I'll head over to her place. Okay, so I just realized I actually don't have stuff. I need to cut it at home, so I'm just going to go take my bath real quick and head over to the shop. Yeah, but I was able to figure out how I want it, so I cut it out on a paper. Let me show you guys. So this is the dress in a very small form. So this part is going to be the net part. This is going to be the princess that, then it's going to be like a breast pad right here, and this is the front of the dress. So if I'm able to cut this on like tiny piece of paper, then I should be able to cut it on the whole fabric in itself. I really don't have much stuff. The scissors I have is basically not the scissors. Look, it doesn't even close, and then the pen doesn't draw, so I really can't cut anything at home.
Are you wearing a padded bra?
Yeah.
Like very padded?
And normally I don't wear bra, so you can take out of it.
Wow. Sorry. But I need... How many years? Very soon. It's very soon to happen.
How's it going? Oh, look how professional it's looking.
Go. You can't steal my idea.
Me, I'm done, Sha. I just need to finish it now.
How do you enjoy? How are you enjoying your food? That's sweet potatoes in akara. Yeah. Is it sweet? You like it?
What's up to ask it?
Do you like it?
Me? So which one?
What are you doing?
I don't know. It sounds the same now. Why do you drink pure water at your age and marital status? Your age with a drinking bottled water. You know that? Oh, it's upside down. I'll be inside out. Be careful because you don't say crack.
Okay. Can I just wait?
Yeah, wait now.
This will enter me back. What?
She's backward. Wow.
Whoosh. Okay.
You know the whole world is saying. I feel like this is modern. Modern is function. You'll get hips one day.
So this is the outfit. This is Bethel's outfit for me. I love the neckline. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that folds well. Anyways, this is the body. Even though it's like a little free, but then like this is the back. The back is just like nets. It's cute. So cute.
Hell, look at me looking like woman. Hey, you want to choke me?
Yeah.
What is choke in English?
Freak. That hand is done now. That hand is
I look like a rabbit. Like a cute one. You know what? This thing not doing this dress justice.
I swear. Like it's going down.
No, let me video you. Let me video me.
Always better my shoe. I don't have shoe on.
It doesn't matter, but wow, outside the sun is glowing on your skin, and it just makes this thing so fine. Oh, it's the back for me. No, it's the back.
The front is not
it's the back for me.
It's not worth it.
No, the back is actually nicer. Wow. So how do you rate it over 10?
over 10.
Yeah.
Let's say maybe I'll give you a 2.5.
Okay, 2.5 to acceptable. Yeah, come and show them what you made for me. Let me put it.
Okay, so this is my outfit for Bethel.
Right.
I love it.
I look like a
She looks
forget
like a
not the
bunny.
socks and the slides.
Okay, so how many will you rate it?
This one. Actually, like, let me see.
Are you serious? Let you see.
Over 10, Abby. 9.5. Just because this bowl.
Oh, don't worry. I rated that one like I rated that one 10.
I feel like the bowl should have been more stiff.
Yes, it should have.
Just because it was, I mean, but we actually did this in one day. We started
It's not,
today at like
it's not
11.
one day. It's not one day.
And we're done by 3. That's like impressive. I feel like this is very professionally done. Even though like even though
Okay.
even though it was like rushed. Like the inside is actually neat.
Mm.
Like I really like this one. And the best part about this dress is that we sold them for less than 3K.
Yes,
So imagine
we
just
did.
buying materials for less than 3,000 naira and sewing this. Like this is perfect. We can actually sell this for like 15K and people buy.
Yes.
Or like 20, 25. I don't know. I mean, it's
Yo, so here they are.
like it's so cute.
Here they are.
And you know, I can actually wear, like if I wear this with heels now, heels, not that I just put my leg up, so I
Wait, I
just
see your socks.
I know. But like you can wear this for like a dinner, like a cocktail dinner. You can wear this for a date, like casual.
Yeah, with the
date,
socks,
with the socks and
and
slides.
the slides.
Like it's just a cute black dress.
Yeah.
I don't think I ever owned a nice black dress like this. You can wear this for anything, to be honest. You can wear this with sneakers too, and to look really nice, like chunky sneakers. Don't worry, I'll style with sneakers and show you. Look.
I love this. I love this.
Me, I'm proud of myself. I just
love
imagining it in my head. That's what I was overthinking now. Yeah, I think it should have been tighter on the waist and this thing.
And the hips. If
Yeah.
I don't have, but then you get my point. So my flat tummy is going to show.
It means the back I love, like how, because it complements her skin. See how beautiful it's making her skin look.
Wait, come, 1 minute.
See how I even made her have me herself. And there's no doubt. Imagine I put that. Like, it's over for them.
That's why what? Okay, it was a straight girl.
Yeah, there was no doubt. Only in front.
Oh.
You as decide who's on his final.
Yeah.
But thank you guys for watching.
By the way, we're going to still wear this.
Yeah, so we're going to
Makeup.
wear it again. Makeup
Look
and
more human.
yeah. And then
And
just you take a video and send to me, then I'll add it in the video. And then post it. Yeah. But bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and tell us who won and whose dress you preferred.
I like this.
Bye.